just a little project today. We've got to reconnect the Speedo cable for my Ninja 500. I was riding home the other week, and it just kind of unplugged itself from my gauge cluster. So I saw the needle go from 55 to 30, 55 to 0. So simple enough fix. It just came unscrewed here. So the only issue is trying to sneak back up in there far enough to actually plug it back in. So that's what we're doing. If you just reach up, you can feel where the threaded fitting is on the back of the gauge cluster. And you just gotta feed the end of the cable into that and slide the collar up. And then find an angle where your fingers can rotate the collar to screw it on. The only trick is there's not much room, so if you've got giant hands, you may be in for a rough time. And I've got pretty small hands, so I can usually get in there pretty well, but I can't put a lot of torque on it. And that's it. Thanks for watching our video on the Ninja 500 Speedo cable repair. Hopefully it's been a helpful tip for you. If you have similar Kawasaki, it probably works in a very similar way. The brands tend to be pretty consistent in how they do these things. So let me know if this is helpful. Yeah, have a great day. Likewise, if you've enjoyed it, please like, subscribe. The YouTube algorithm appreciates it. Thank you. Bye.